This small plane was forced to make an emergency landing on a busy New York expressway after it suffered engine trouble. The aircraft was taking two women on a Statue of Liberty tour when the problems occurred. It reported maintenance workers who were repairing potholes on the Major Deegan Expressway stopped traffic and cleared the road for the plane to land. The pilot and his two passengers are now being treated in hospital for non-life-threatening injuries.
Local dash chopper 4.
New York Mayor Bill de Blasio said it was a miracle that nobody was seriously hurt or killed.